This is the Golf 8 Line. In this episode, we're going to hear how it sounds when it's on stage 2. But the question is it really necessary to get it on stage 2? We're about to find out. FF speaking, and you're watching Feature Cast 23. The R-Line is based on the GTI, but is a bit more aggressive than the GTI. You can visually notice it is a mid-looking front end. The R-Line comes standard with Matrix LED headlights, with the tinting sequential indicators, gloss black front grille, which happens to illuminate at night. On the R-Line package, VW has decided to remove the fog lights to make it look more aggressive than the standard Golf. And I must say their plan succeeded, because this car, it looks more aggressive. It's a bit lower than the standard Golf. It has a ground clearance of 134mm. It weighs 1,304 kg. It uses an E888 system, which has a 2-liter turbocharged petrol engine. It produced 235 kilowatts and 400 Newton meters of torque. With an updated quick shifting 7-speed dual clutch transmission, it would do 0 to 100 in 4.8 seconds. It's running with 19-inch wheels, typical for R-Line, blue color parts with R-Line badging, as well as the invigilated disc. As an R-Line, it comes with bigger side skirts, with a wheelbase of 2,627mm. You also get R-Line badging on the fenders. Let's move to the rear end. At the rear, you'll notice a huge boot spoiler with air intakes, typical for VW and Audi cars. Tail lights are fitted with sequential tinting signals. These quad pipes are similar to the ones we used to see on the 7R, however, they're slightly bigger. Rear bumper has been extended with lower diffuser finished in high-gloss black, with a width of 1,789mm. Let's have a look into the interior. Door pockets are large enough to carry water bottles. The R-Line comes with two-tone bucket seats finished in blue with R-Line badging. And if you pay attention on the lower part of the seat, you'll notice instead of plain leather, it is some carbon fiber trim, typical for R-Line. Besides different color trim, the steering wheel of the R-Line is not the same as the GTI. Some buttons are only available on the R-Line. For example, if you press the blue R button, it allows you to activate drift mode, which is only available for R-Line. The flagship of the Golf 8 range succeeds. Front occupants are valued plenty of storage spaces, a clever central drinks holder that can handle different sized bottles, plus a neat storage area for a mobile phone, which doubles as wireless charging pad. Interestingly, the sunglasses holder on the ceiling has disappeared. As to the regards of the infotainment system and the instrument cluster, they are pretty much the same as the ones on the Golf GTI. Both of them are 10-inch screens, and the infotainment system is a bit complex. You really need to spend more time to understand its functionalities. There's also door pockets at the back seats and enough legroom and headroom. Rear passengers have got their own climate control and 2 USB ports, and center armrest, which can also be used to hold their drinks. With a cargo space of 380 liters, 1,237 when the rear seats are folded down. Not bad at all, although there's few things that annoy us, which brings us to 3 annoying things about this Golf 8R. This color is hiding some of the cool parts of the car. For example, you really need to pay attention to notice that it has been opted with panoramic sunroof, whereas on a different color it could have looked way more nicer by adding two-tone on the roof. All the R-Line models get an option of choosing whether you want matte silver side mirrors or gloss black side mirrors, but gloss black side mirrors are not so special with this color because we can't really distinguish whether they were optional or not. Only special cars receive high gloss black diffuser, but it's pointless if it's placed on a black car. It's not all negative though. This car has cool features that can cover up the annoying things. Another interesting features include auto park functionality, a reverse view camera, parking sensors, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. As far as safety equipment is concerned, The Golf R features semi-autonomous driving assistance, technology which falls under IQ driver banner, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, side assist, drive alert and autonomous emergency braking. The Golf 8R line starts from 945,100 with a monthly installment of 18,692 rands, and that's excluding insurance and car tracker. The Golf 8R line has all the bells and whistles you've always wanted in a hot hatch. It's fun to drive and it stands out when comparing it to its rivals. It's easy to live with on a day-to-day as an everyday use, with its practicalities that will always make you feel like you're owning an SUV and a sports car at the same time. If you were to ask me, do you need to get it on stage 2? The answer would be no. It's a bit of an animal on its own. So what's my final verdict about the Golf 8R line? Should you consider, should you shortlist, or should you go right ahead and just buy it? I recommend you should buy the Golf 8R line because why not? If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Doing so would help the channel grow. FS speaking and you're watching Future Cars 23. Thanks for watching. See you again on the next episode.